Pelatih baru Timnas Indonesia Patrick Kluivert akan menerapkan formasi menyerang untuk membawa Timnas Indonesia lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026. Hal itu disampaikan Patrick dalam konferensi pers yang digelar di Jakarta pada Minggu 12 Januari 2025.
Because I have not been in the middle or yet, so it's very difficult to say what lacking or what you do very good. I need to be in the team and work with the team, and if we work with the team, I can say what we can do better or what's already good. So it's for me very difficult to say. Of course, you see the talented players, they have talent, and I know that we can elevate them to a different level. I know that for sure. And that's the thing, that when I work with the players, when we work with the players, they will become better players. I'm 100% sure about that.
Okay. Now, I want to get a little bit technical. I don't want to get too deep into the technicalities, but one of the many questions that everyone is so interested in is, there's a lot of, obviously Dutch football, total football. Everybody loves the Dutch style of playing football. And everybody wants to know what sort of system are you going to implement. So I will save the media one of the questions by asking you. A lot of people want to know, will you be implementing a 4-3-3? Is there a certain Dutch style of play that you will be implementing? Especially now that, as I mentioned, we do have our backs a little bit against the wall here in our next moment.
No, it is. I think most important thing is that I like to play attack football, and I like to have the ball possession. And I am familiar with all systems. I was in 2014 assistant coach with Louis van Gaal, and we play the same style that we play at the moment. Preferably, I like to play 4-3-3, but it depends where all the players also feel comfortable in. So I'm first looking at the players, and then we implement any style. Because in football, you have slight movements, and it's the same system or it's a different system. I need to come with a surprise as well, because during when you play football, the system will change. And it's 4-3-3, 3-5-2. The most important thing is that the players understand what to do on what moment. And that's where you're going to make a difference.
Adaptability is important as well.
Lebih lanjut, Patrick menambahkan bahwa meski formasi menyerang diutamakan, kekuatan pertahanan yang solid juga sangat penting untuk mencegah potensi bahaya bagi Timnas Indonesia.
If you want to win, you have to score goals, that's for sure. But you have to respect also other countries and also the qualities of other countries. But you need to, your starting position is to respect your own qualities which you have in the team and take advantage of every positive strengths that you have in your team.
I'm glad you brought that up. One of the strengths of our team, and I'm sure many people here agree, is our back line. I think our defensive line is one of Indonesia's strengths. But in attacking football, we talked about this slightly a little bit, where if you're playing attacking football, you really have to have a lot of trust in your back line. Is this something that you see as a benefit for us because we do have a strong defensive line, and this is something that will be benefiting your playing style?
Absolutely, it's very important to have a good back three or back four or back five. But the most important thing is that confidence with the ball, because I love to have the ball. And what your Cruijff always said, you can't score when you don't have the ball.
Patrick juga menyatakan bahwa dukungan dari supporter Indonesia akan menjadi semangat tambahan bagi para pemain.
Yes, you're right, but I think that the Indonesian fans, when they show me already, they have an extra passion. Played in a lot of countries, and I saw a lot of passionate fans, but Indonesian fans are, extra spice, I think, and that's good. And the players know this as well. They play for their country. So the most important thing is that all the fans are standing behind what they do.
Okay.
And we will manage the rest.